In this tutorial I will tell you how to create a second character in GTA 5 Online. First off, you go into the options by clicking the escape button on PC. When you get here, you navigate over to the online section. Now you scroll down and you go into the swap character section. And when you get here, you just press enter and select it. Are you sure you want to quit the session? You press OK, and now you will be transported to another place where you can create your other character. Be right back when it loads. Okay, so we are back in our character creation. You will be transported to this place right here. On the left, you will see your main character, and on the right, you will see your new character. You can navigate by pressing the arrows on PC. And if you don't know how to move on your console, just look at the bottom right, you will see it for yourself. Now after you get here, let's press enter and we can start editing our new character. It should load shortly, and now we can change the sex of our character. We can make a male or female. I'll make a male. You can change the heritage, the features, the appearance, the apparel, the stats, and now when you're done, you just press save and continue. Enter your character's name, how to realm, and after you're done, just press enter. Now we have our new character. We press enter once more, and now we should be loading into our new character. I should mention that the only thing, do you want to skip the GTA Online tutorial? Yes. I should mention that the only thing your two characters will be sharing is a bank account, so you won't have any new resources on your new character. You won't have the houses, the cars. You will need to buy everything from scratch. Also, the second character will be maxed out at level 120 in comparison to your main account, which can be maxed out to a much higher level. I'll be back when we are inside the game. And as you can see, we are back inside the game, and I'm currently playing with my other character.